Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for Glendale homeowners. They help keep interiors comfortable, reduce cooling costs during hot Arizona summers, and protect homes from intense sun exposure. Like any home feature, however, even the highest quality energy-efficient windows need proper care to perform at their best over time. With regular maintenance, homeowners can extend their windows' lifespan, preserve energy savings, and maintain curb appeal. Here are practical, homeowner-friendly maintenance tips to help you get the most from your energy-efficient windows in Glendale's unique climate. Clean glass and frames regularly. Glendale's dry climate, dust, and wind can cause debris to build up on window glass and frames. Over time, this buildup can affect appearance and performance. Maintenance tips. Clean glass every few months using a mild, non-abrasive cleaner. Wipe frames with a soft cloth and gentle soap. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage low-E coatings. Rinse thoroughly to prevent residue buildup. Keeping windows clean ensures maximum natural light and helps preserve energy-efficient coatings. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping plays a critical role in blocking heat and preventing air leaks. Arizona heat can cause weather stripping to dry out or crack if it's not checked regularly. What to do? Inspect weather stripping at least twice a year. Look for cracks, flattening, or gaps. Replace damaged sections promptly. Ensure weather stripping remains flexible and snug. Maintaining weather stripping helps keep hot air outside and cooled air inside. Keep tracks and hardware free of debris. Dust and dirt can accumulate in window tracks and hardware, especially in sliding and double-hung windows. This can affect smooth operation and cause unnecessary wear. Simple maintenance steps. Vacuum tracks to remove dirt and sand. Use a soft brush for stubborn debris. Lightly lubricate hardware with a silicone-based product. Avoid oil-based lubricants that attract dust. Smooth operation prevents strain on seals and frame components. Check seals and caulking around the frame. The seal around your window frame is your first defense against heat and moisture. Over time, caulking can dry out, crack, or pull away from the surface. Best practices. Inspect exterior and interior caulking annually. Look for visible gaps or peeling. Reseal small cracks with high-quality exterior caulk. Address larger issues with professional assistance. Proper sealing maintains insulation and prevents heat transfer. Monitor for condensation or fogging. Energy-efficient windows rely on sealed glass units. Fog or condensation between panes can indicate seal failure, reducing efficiency. What to watch for? Persistent fogging inside the glass. Moisture buildup that doesn't clear. Reduced clarity and insulation. If this occurs, contact a professional promptly to assess whether repair or replacement is needed. Protect windows from excessive sun exposure. While energy-efficient windows are designed to handle Glendale's intense sunlight, additional protection can help prolong their lifespan. Helpful strategies. Use window coverings during peak heat hours. Consider exterior shading or awnings. Apply UV protective films if recommended. Keep landscaping trimmed to avoid scratches. These steps help reduce stress on frames and glass over time. Schedule professional inspections when needed. Routine professional inspections can catch small issues before they become costly problems. A window expert can assess seals, alignment, and overall performance. Benefits include identifying early signs of wear, ensuring optimal energy efficiency, extending window lifespan, maintaining warranty coverage. Protect your investment with simple maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are built to perform, but proper care ensures they last as long as possible in Glendale's demanding climate. By cleaning regularly, maintaining seals and weather stripping, keeping hardware in good condition, and monitoring performance, homeowners can enjoy lasting comfort and energy savings. With a little routine maintenance, your energy-efficient windows will continue to protect your home, reduce cooling costs, and enhance comfort for many years to come.